Hello everyone, my name is Cecilia Merfalen Guevara Eustaquio of Chamorro Belly Good Food. For today, I will be sharing my smoked pork butt recipe. I will not be speaking Chamorro on this episode. I will be mainly speaking English the whole way through. So I want to share this recipe with all of you. My smoked pork butt recipe. My smoked pork butt marinade recipe, which that I am using today, is from one of my past episodes that I had posted, titled Barbecue Baby Back Chamorro Marinade. That special marinade is what I am using today for my smoked pork butt marinade recipe. So I won't be sharing those ingredients with you since I have already posted it in the past on my barbecue baby back Chamorro marinade recipe. First thing I did was deboned the pork butt, and then I sliced them into strips, like rope-like strips, just the way it looks on the grill. I already placed them on the grill. Then you, after you cut them into rope-like strips, you marinated in my special marinade for a day and a half, and keep the pork butt refrigerated for a day and a half until it's time to start the grill and start smoking the pork butt. Here's my fire on one side of the grill. Gotta smoke it, smoke it, smoke it. Here's my fire on the other end of the grill. Gotta smoke it, smoke it, smoke it. Gotta smoke it on over 200 degrees heat. Gotta smoke it, smoke it, smoke it for at least 3 hours. It's time to smoke my pork butt. Smoking time. My pork butt. It's gonna take about 3 hours to smoke my pork butt. Smoking good. My pork butt. It's gonna take a while. It's looking good. My smoked pork butt. Coming along pretty good. My smoked pork butt. Awesome. Look at it. Another hour to go. Wow, such an awesome color. Check it out. Just about ready. My smoked pork butt. Beautiful. I think it's just about ready. My smoked pork butt. Absolutely awesome. What a beautiful color. Check it out. Awesome. Few more minutes and it'll be ready. Gotta smoke it, smoke it, smoke it. My smoked pork butt. Final product of my smoked pork butt. My red rice, sauteed bell peppers, mushrooms, onions. Simply delicious. My smoked pork butt from Chamorro Belly Good Food. Simply delicious. Thank you all for watching today. And again, my name is Cecilia Merfalen Guevara Eustaquio of Chamorro Belly Good Food. Si Juus Masi am ju todos ni manega pagu sa talo inano sa si Cecilia Merfalen Guevara Eustaquio ginin Chamorro Belly Good Food. And if y'all like what you have watched today, by all means subscribe to my channel, okay? Angin mizo afanega pagu fan subscribe kizoku channel angin mizo afan ega pues está que ocho boy. Si Dios masi am to todos. Thank you for watching. Until next time.